Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristie. For those of you that are new here, for those of you who are returning, hi, welcome back. As you can see, I am back planning for October 28th through November the 3rd, I believe it was. And I am using a kit from a shop called Creativity and Ink. And this was their conspiracy, which obviously was about it was themed around the conspiracy palette in the series that Shane Dawson did with Jeffree Star this year, which was one of my favorite things that's happened on YouTube all year. So this was one of the spreads that I'm back planning in my Erin Condren, since I did just get that for my birthday. I'm going to be selecting randomly what I want to do and when I want to do it. Um, so I don't know that you're going to see these in any particular order, but we will see. Um, let's see. And you're going to notice that the lighting is a little bit harsh in the beginning of this because I was doing this a little bit later in the day, so I was using different kinds of lighting. So, yeah, it was not the best in the entire world. And if you guys hear me swallowing or anything, I apologize. Unfortunately, um, yeah, we're trying this out for the first time, so we're going to see how it goes. And this kit I thought was really, really pretty. There's a lot of really pretty foiling with this kit. I loved the way the silver foil came out. I thought it was really, really great. Um, yeah, I like it a whole lot, especially when you get into the full boxes. The full boxes have so much gorgeous silver foiling on them. It was really hard to choose what I wanted to use and wear because it's like I felt like everything needed to be the star of the show. So, yeah, this is a kit that was difficult to lay down in a different kind of way. And I'm whiting out that hexagon shape because there's some boxes that I just don't know how it's going to sit on. Um, and I think I got that box a little bit crooked. Even, oh, see, there we go. We got lights coming on. While I try to figure out my life and try to get the lighting right. Oh, it's terrible. It's so bad. I promise it changes probably here in about probably a couple of minutes. And I just love too the colors of this kit, the green, the pink, the black. It's just so pretty together. And I love the hi conspiracy. How are ya? That's really cute. And you guys let me know as well if you like these sort of plan with me's where it's back planning. I promise I'm going to try to get better and more professional about how these are recorded. But being honest, I bought a microphone, but I can't figure out how to get it to work with my computer. So that's a thing. Yeah, that's a thing. That's a whole entire thing. And I just realized that I'm going to have to detach audio from the whole second clip in this because I'm brilliant and got just a little too far ahead of myself. And the OMG, the oh my god box was like one of my favorites as well. And that box went down completely crooked, as you can see. That lighting was a hot mess. I kept going for the longest time thinking that I was going to be fine doing this, but we quickly figured out here in a little bit that we just didn't. There was no way to fix it anymore. It's like the boxes were blown out. It's just sad. I love that box. That box is one of my favorites. Absolutely one of my favorites. I was going to originally use this on my birthday week because I love the palette and all that so much. But then I thought, what better way to commemorate the poop show that was the release and trying to get the makeup than by putting this kit on that week. I feel like the don't believe everything you see would have been just as fitting for Friday. And if I yawn, guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to, but it's 10:45 at night and I'm exhausted. Oh, we're coming to the end of the crappy lighting, and we will be getting into decent lighting here in just a moment. Yep, we're about to switch over to good lighting, guys. Get ready for it. There it comes. Well, now we're blown out in a different way, but still, I mean, hey, we're doing all right. I was using little strips of washi tape to cover up those at the bottom because the washi wasn't quite big enough. And you'll notice as well when I'm doing these back planning spreads that there's not going to be as much stuff on the pages, I guess, because it's not real planning. I already know what I did that week, so I can pretty much get rid of the checklists and things of that nature. So it's just going to be like the bare minimum. And this is probably when I was playing with my phone trying to get some oh no, I was playing with my planner at this point trying to get it to lay down right that I was referencing back to. Here in a minute you're probably going to see me start playing with my phone to get music going. I struggled through that part too. Oh, I was so upset about this when I pulled it up. Oh, it's such a mess. Oh, it's such a mess. Okay, okay. A whole mess. A whole mess. The great news is, even if I mess this up, I can just delete the audio and start over again. And if you're hearing this, then it worked just fine. If you don't hear it, then who would ever know? I love this weekend banner in there as well. And I like that there was a little filming icon too on that. I thought it was really kind of cool to have that filming icon actually. Yeah, as you can see. I was listening to Adore You, Harry Styles' new song. And having a dance party apparently, so that's a thing. It is so late here, you guys. I mean, it's not really late. It's like 11 o'clock, but for me, that's pretty late. Yeah, especially since I've been up since 6. And I think I really love the makeup, the actual makeup stick, the full box that I put on release day. I thought that one was really, really pretty as well, but the spiral is like my favorite one in the entire world just because of all that silver foiling. And this is when I was pulling my pen out to try to figure out what I was doing. So I always put in my water and eat healthy because I try to be mindful. And I could go back and fill that in. I never fill out the weekends. And then I started filling out my sidebar. Monday and Tuesday was the Shane Jeffrey series. Thursday was obviously Thanksgiving. Friday I put Ninja Fingers because that is what I had to do to get the palette. And those boxes are for a person in my office that I'm training to do what I do. And I had to take pictures for one of our dental assistants for her boyfriend. And Tuesday, I bought my tickets to see Louis Tomlinson in June here in Nashville. And then Wednesday, Shay came back, who is one of our dental assistants, and she has been out. And I was so happy to have her back in the office. She is such a just calming and wonderful presence for me. And Thursday was obviously Halloween, as well as our practice manager's birthday. And Friday, of course, was the Shane and Jeffrey conspiracy release. And I had to close the month and pull the insurance AJ. And it looks like we're going to be wrapping up here in a second. So, yes, I guess that will be it. And I am so glad that you guys have joined me this week for this back plan spread. And leave a comment down below if you like this. And I will talk to you guys in my Sunday video. And I hope you have an amazing week. Bye, guys.